Hey, what's up everybody? Kids, Timotons, dogs, and cats here. So, I got my phone right here, which I recorded a fart. But it's on a little battery, so I got to charge that up a little bit. And you might even hear it now. Okay, I got all the volume up. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So, what we're going to do is doing this.